sebab inilah blogger suka masuk Malaysia, especially blogger daripada barat. Tengoklah orang Malaysia layan mereka macam mana. Semua, selamat datang ke Walas Klasik. Saya nak minta maaf tau terlebih dahulu sebab lama saya tak buat video ni sebab tak sihat. So subscriber saya minta maaf sangat lah ya. Selamat datang ke Walas Klasik dan sokong channel saya. Hari ni saya nak ceritalah pasal satu blogger daripada Michigan ni. Nama channel dia pelik sikit tau. Even That Guy. Tengok channel ni. Okey, dia ni orangnya lemah lembut, sopan santun. Dia dah masuk Malaysia, dia tak sangka Malaysia ni moden, bersih. Dia terpegun lah dia kata dengan macam-macam yang dilihat dekat Malaysia ni. Nanti dalam perjalanan video ni kita bersembang-sembang lah kan.
I'm in some fancy area of Kuala Lumpur. And man, when I got here, so impressed by the infrastructure and the cleanliness. This is a random place. I'm not sure where I am.
Teruk kan perangai dia orang.
Kuala Lumpur is very modern. They build infrastructure like the frickin' Chinese. I'm just near the hotel I booked and I'm heading to a special place that's really recommended online. They say you gotta eat there, but I gotta show you the subway. I'm gonna take the subway. I took it yesterday. I was blown away by how fast and clean it is. I don't know if it can beat the Thai subway, but you're gonna see it's pretty mind-blowing. I was making sure. I think in Kuala Lumpur, a lot of people speak English. But I made it. This is a subway station. Nice and clean. Way better than New York. I don't know if it's better than Thailand though. In New York, it's like filthy on the floor, everything like that.
Video dia yang diletak hari tu, dia kata Amerika tak dapat nak tanding dengan Malaysia. Sebab apa ya? Saya pun check lah video dia kan. Kenapa dia cakap macam tu? Memang betul tau. Dia pun nak cerita pasal dia punya kereta api lah. Kereta api dia orang yang subway namanya dekat New York tu. Bukan saja orang yang naik, tikus pun naik sekali. Dah lah tu macam-macam kerana dengan perangai. Kotor pula tu.
There you go. Thank you. Okay, let's find out which way are we going. We need to go Masjid something. That's really chill, relaxed, and it has the best restaurant according to some people on the internet. But check it out. I was here yesterday and just like Thailand and unlike New York, the steps are super clean. In New York, oh man, you go down the stairs.
Jesus, that's a lot of them. What are they eating? Oh, they're eating throw up.
When you come in New York, you see rats like running across the tracks. No rats here. And let's see how, let me show you the train. Nice and clean. Now, I gotta be quiet, be polite, you know. Check it out. Pretty cool, modern, clean, no creeps. You can see it's like families. You never see a family in New York.
Change station to NYC Kajang 9.
Notice the floor. Super clean. I had to come near the mic so I'm not like screaming and be the only one talking. Malaysians will kill me. This is a polite society here, I think, too, as you can see.
Banyak orang sudah gila lah sekarang. Macam Sami Welu cakap.
It's crazy how Indonesia is developing their public transport. Thailand has already developed their public transport. You can see Malaysia is really developing their public transport. And in New York, we get crashed.
Station berikutnya.
Years in New York and Chicago, and I just had the worst experiences going into the subway. And when you're waiting for the train, there's homeless people piled up, musicians singing so loud. And then when you go in the train, there's dancers that homeless people, the people peeing, the smell of piss. People make the excuse of, oh, trains in New York are so old. How can you compare them? Okay, I was promised that this place, this neighborhood is like a walkable, nice area. Wow. Hello. How you doing? Dude, I'm so hungry. Looks like they got some fried stuff.
Banana?
Yeah, banana. I'm hungry. What's this one?
Boiled banana.
Oh, boiled banana. I'll take the boiled banana. I tried fried banana in Thailand. Boiled. Boiled. I'll take some.
You try.
Yeah.
Only one?
No. 5
1 ringgit, 4. 1 ringgit.
each one. Okay.
This one banana?
No. That's good.
No, I give you try banana.
Oh, thank you. Terima kasih. How much?
1.
Oh, just one? Wow. Sorry. I need to put them in my wallet.
Thank you.
Terima kasih. Thank you so much. I got what she said is boiled banana, and it's dark. Looks delicious. I haven't had anything to eat. Looks like bread. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Fire. Better than fried. Oh my god. It's like a banana, but flavor intensified and somehow made better. Dude, this is like a 9.5. Something so simple, so delicious.
Tapi kakak tu kata pisang rebus tadi. Saya tengok macam cengkodok aja. Mungkin dia tak tahu cakap ke, mungkin pisang rebus ke, saya tak nampak ke, saya pun tak tahu. Tapi kakak tu pun baik hati sungguh lah. Lepas tu dia bagi juga cuba pisang goreng. Hai blogger tu kata, orang Malaysia ni baik hati sungguh lah.
Delicious. Okay, check it out. It looks like a happening part of town. People are chilling with their friends, eating. And this is the challenge for me today. I think I'm going to take up that challenge because, hello, how you doing? People who eat with their hands. Hello. Oh, I need something cool. I'm like sweating. It's disgusting. It shows when it's not black. Ah, here it is. Kaksum. They have nasi balulak, nasi karabu, nasi dagang. Oh my god, nasi gang. It looks like they have food and you just get what you want. And that's going to be a challenge for me. How do I order?
Yes.
Hello. How do I order? How do I order here? Yeah.
Okay. You want eat with rice or
With rice.
with rice? Simultaneous.
Thank you. Wow. Okay, now I have to choose. Which one do you recommend? Which one is good? Which do you recommend?
Oh, what I recommend, huh?
Yeah.
Tak recommend apa? Tak ikat lagi. Chicken lah, chicken.
Chicken? Okay.
Chicken percik.
Chicken. What is it? Chicken perchi?
Yeah, chicken percik.
Okay. Oh, nice man. I'm making him put my food for me. Thank you. Appreciate it. Terima kasih. I'll pick some stuff out that I think. Excuse me. I think you're supposed to use your hands, but I don't know. Can I have spoon and fork? Terima kasih. Thank you. Hey, I'm a coward this time. I got a knife and fork. I'll make the excuse that my hands are dirty. I promise next time I'll try it. I'll try it for sure with my hands, but check out what I got. I got this glazed up chicken. It looks ridiculously good. And the thing that the guy recommended is like curry chicken wing with a little bit of back and some egg. Wow, it's tender. Breaks apart very easily. Very good. Delicious. So much flavor. Thank you. Amazing. Wow. Amazing recommendation by the nice guy. Wow. Really well marinated. Nice chicken quality. And then on the outside, I think there's some chilies.
Makan nasi dengan lauk pula. Pedas ke tu?
And of course, there's curry, which is really good. It's not like an intense curry that takes over the flavor. It's just like amazing tasting curry. Wow. Unbelievable. I'm not even a big fan of chicken. This is like almost a 10. Usually I know exactly what I'm eating. I do a little bit of research on it. But this time I chose to go in blind. Let's go. Let's try this. It looks tasty as hell. A little bit spicy. Definitely spicier than the other one. But tasty. I like the other one a lot more though. This one's like an 8.5. The other one's like close to a 10. I gotta get a bit more of the curry chicken. This is addictive. The chicken is good, and then on the outside you got glazed curry stuff with other stuff, turmeric maybe. It is so delicious, and some genius decided to add some chili. As you can see here, there's like bits of chili that really intensify the flavor. It's like when you're a race car driver, you know, a street race car driver, you're already going fast and then you press the nitro, boom, that's the chili, intensifies the speed. And this is just like that. Check this bite out. It's literally drenched in the sauce. It's looking beautiful. So delicious. I gotta say, Malaysian food is turning out to be exceptional. 9 over 9, 9 over 9 over 9. It's like getting food experiences that are 9 plus. 9 out of 10. I mean. Thank you, sir. Terima kasih. Amazing food. 10 out of 10. I love it. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Highly recommend this place. It's amazing. And so cheap. Everything, like 2 chickens and rice was like 14, which is like $3, I think.
Kalau blogger-blogger daripada barat ni, kalau dia singgah dekat Malaysia, walaupun dia kadang-kadang dibandingkan Malaysia dengan Thailand atau Indonesia, tapi tu lain kan. Malaysia ni dia lain punya istimewa lah, lain macam punya istimewa, tak boleh dibanding. Walaupun Indonesia ada keistimewaan dia, Thailand ada juga. Jadi Malaysia ni lain sikit. Okey, nanti dia nak cari kuih-kuih pula. Dan kakak yang buat putu piring tu baik sungguhlah dia nak bagi dia cuba. Lepas tu dia explain kat dia tau, benda tu apa, dalam inti dia apa semua. Hai, Mak Saleh ni manalah pernah jumpa putu piring kan. Kakak tu pun bagi dia, suruh cuba. Dia pun heran sebab dia kata beli 4 baru berapa ringgit je kan. Dalam kalau dolar tu baru sen-sen. Kan saya dah kata sebab itulah YouTuber suka datang kat Malaysia. Nanti dia cakap lah, cerita lah dalam YouTube dia, satu dunia dah tahu. Ramai lagi lah pelancong masuk Malaysia kan. Diorang nak pergi ke tempat itu juga.
What are these?
This putu piring. It's a rice flour.
Putu?
Putu piring.
Okay.
You want to try?
They have these in Indonesia too, right?
Yeah. The same is similar.
It's different. It's different. It's like this
A
one's
bit
round.
similar. No, we use the sugar brown. Actually, the palm sugar.
Oh, and they do something different in Indonesia.
I think the mold.
Oh yeah, they have them in the
Yeah,
steamer.
we like this.
Ah, okay.
Like this,
And
but
you
we
steam it
use
here.
steamer also.
Wow. Okay.
Steamer.
Can I get
But
3?
it,
Can I get 3?
1, 3.
Yeah.
Hold on, yeah.
The putu in Indonesia was delicious. One of the best things I had in Indonesia.
There. Come, I give you to try. You want to buy or you want to try only?
I'll buy. I'll try it
Yeah.
later.
You buy 1 pack, 5 pieces?
Yeah.
Come, I give you to try first.
Oh. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hold on, yeah.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you could.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Bye bye.
Actually, where you from?
Sorry?
You're from?
Michigan.
Michigan.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, sama-sama. Bye.
Oh, what a kind lady. Oh my God, so nice. She insisted. I bought some from her and then she gave me a free one. Wow. Now this in Indonesia is pretty rare, right? In Bali, they only sell it to kids. Check it out. Check this thing out. Focus on the thing, camera. It is coconut, it is brown sugar, it is perfection. Coconut underneath. Right underneath the leaf, I'll break it and see. Oh man. Layers. Layers of goodness. The way it hits you, way more flavor than Snickers. Our greatest candy in the US, in my opinion. Snickers and M&M's, they have been defeated. Hello again. I just had to come back and tell you I tried it. Masterpiece, 10 out of 10. Amazing. You're
Compared to
making,
Indonesian one?
huh?
Compared to Indonesian one?
The Indonesian one was 10 out of 10 too, but this one is like a bit sweeter from the more sugar, more of the brown sugar inside. Yeah, I loved it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Dia pergi balik sekali lagi tu, dia nak cakap terima kasih kat kakak tu. Kakak tu pula tanya, yang dekat Indonesia tu macam mana? Okey ke putih piring dia orang? Ish.
I haven't found any good coffee lately in Kuala Lumpur. We'll try to fix that. In Georgetown was amazing. I don't know why Kuala Lumpur, the coffee's not as good as Georgetown. I had a guy in Georgetown too, every morning, evening, afternoon, I need my coffee.
Blogger ni dia cari kopi pula. Dia suka minum kopi. Dia kata dia ketagih kopi. Dia minum 2-3 kali sehari. Tapi itulah ada orang recommend dekat dia kopi Zeus. Dia kata kopi Zeus tu dia nak try jugalah. Tapi itulah dia cakap macam ni. Kopi Georgetown yang paling best. Bukan kopi di KL katanya. Orang KL jangan marah ya. Sebab bukan saya yang cakap. Blogger yang cakap sendiri. Pula kopi di Ipoh pun best tau. Nanti datanglah kat Ipoh. Round-round minum kopi. Kopi kita orang pun best lah. Ipoh white coffee.
Excuse me, do you know where the best coffee is around here?
Don't know lah. You tell to security guard.
Here?
Tak, you tell to security guard.
Station 1?
Tak, you talk to security.
Oh no, coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee?
Coffee.
Drink? Yeah, where's the best coffee in
The
Kuala
best
Lumpur?
coffee.
Yeah, the best one.
The best one.
Yeah.
All best.
Oh, best? Yeah, can you type one for me so I can go try? Oh, best, wow. Okay. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're
Looking forward to
welcome.
trying it.
Okay.
Bye-bye. He gave me a recommendation, Zeus coffee. I gotta head to it because I'm in need of coffee. Ah, there it is, Zeus. Zeus, the king of the gods. It must be good, huh? There is Zeus coffee here. Another one must be Hades. There are Olympians here. These jokes are not good. I'm sorry. This is where you order. Slide right. They got the goods. They got the Americano, the cappuccino, flat white, cafe latte. Where is Zeus?
Hello, how are you?
We got a lot of
Sorry?
We got a lot of order.
Wait. Okay, can I order now?
Yeah, take it. Okay. We need to wait.
Okay, that's fine. I can smell it. It smells amazing. I can smell the grinded coffee. Wow. Can I get an Americano with some milk, please?
Flat of milk.
Sorry?
Flat of milk.
Yeah. I heard this is the best coffee in Kuala Lumpur. So, thank you, terima kasih.
The aroma in there, it will get you high. If you're a coffee nut like me, I wanted to barge in and take everything. It must be really good coffee.
Sorry?
I said it must be really good coffee for there to be like a waiting time, right?
Yeah, I would say it is that way.
It's the best coffee?
I'm not so much into coffee, but I would
No?
say in terms of price and taste, now people choose this coffee.
Yeah, this is the popular one?
Have you tried Salmon coffee, which is from Indonesia as well?
Sorry?
Have you tried Salmon coffee, which is from Indonesia as well?
That one?
Yeah, that
Spanish
one.
latte?
Yeah, with the love shape.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm just suggesting maybe you can try as well.
yeah. It's for me? Okay. That was like a 20-minute wait time for a coffee. It better be good. But look, it's looking good. It's not looking too bold. It's good. Tastes like good coffee, fresh beans and everything. Still not the best. The one in Georgetown was way better. Like a solid 8. Doesn't go under an 8, it doesn't go over an 8. I'll try some other ones, but this is the best that Malaysia can offer. I gotta go back to Georgetown. It's amazing.
Macam mana tadi video event that guy tu? Best kan, orangnya tenang, dia buat video pun macam best saja, tenang aja video dia, tapi isi kandungan dia banyak dia nak bagi tahulah. Dia buat video macam tu, kita pun rasa best, tenang, tak kecoh-kecoh. Okey, terima kasih datang ke Walas Klasik sekali lagi dan harap semua urusan anda ni dipermudahkan. Bye-bye.